Hello, my name is Jason, and on this channel I'm showcasing some of my favorite things. Today I'm featuring the Leatherman Squirt PS4. Leatherman has been making knives and multi-tools since 1983. Based out of Portland, Oregon, almost all Leatherman multi-tools are manufactured and assembled here in the US. Leatherman offers a few color options on this multi-tool, but I really like this one with the hard anodized blue scales. Almost all Leatherman multi-tools on the market are made of 420HC stainless steel. Like many traditional folding knives, none of the tools on this device are locking. The Leatherman Squirt PS4 is a tiny powerhouse packed with some really useful tools, such as this 1.5-inch blade that is corrosion resistant and easy to maintain. The Leatherman Squirt also has a really nice double-sided file that makes cleaning up fingernails super easy. One of the tools that attracted me to the Leatherman Squirt is this nice pair of spring-loaded scissors, which are so handy and easy to use. This multi-tool has a 2-in-1 medium-sized standard flathead screwdriver and bottle cap lifter. The Leatherman Squirt also has a small 2-dimensional Phillips head cross driver. I like that the loop for the keyring can be adjusted. I think it's a nice touch. The arms of the spring-loaded pliers snap into place when they're fully open. There's zero tolerance on the needle nose tip and a small but powerful wire cutter at the pivot. I appreciate all the effort that Leatherman put into making the Squirt PS4, as it's really high quality compared to its competitors. The Leatherman Squirt PS4 is small and slim enough to fit in any pocket. At 2¼ inches long and about 3/4 of an inch wide, the Leatherman Squirt PS4 is one of the best multi-tools I encourage everyone to check out because I absolutely love it.